Sunshine Code has its own orange fruit plantation and adopts scientific plantation. We pick fresh orange fruits directly from the place of origin. High-quality orange fruits are hand-selected and used as raw materials to garnish its taste and quality. For the freshly picked oranges, the first step is an automated washing process to thoroughly clean the surface and remove any impurities. Our experienced staff closely monitors the entire process to ensure each orange meets our high standards of quality and cleanliness. The second step involves using precision machinery to slice the oranges into perfect, uniform pieces. This automated slicing ensures consistency and maintains the integrity of each slice. The next step is the candying process, where the orange slices are soaked in a carefully prepared sugar syrup. This immersion allows the slices to absorb the sweetness, enhancing their flavor and creating a delightful, sugary treat. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.